don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you.
We are back again, and in this playlist, I'm going to be your guide for Advanced Calculus 1. And what is exciting is Advanced Calculus, I was teaching assistant for Advanced Calculus, and I really enjoy, working with Epsilon Delta and teaching students the tricks and how sometimes I manipulate the question for you to get to the answer right. I want you to be a little bit, smart. I want you to be smart, of course, yes, so that you can enjoy Advanced Calculus, right? So these are some of the tips that I'm going to give it to you, and how to go through the process in enjoying Advanced Calculus. So don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share our videos with your colleagues. We need more people to learn mathematics. So share the videos, and share the videos. And don't forget all the trial questions that we are going to give it to you. Try your hands on it, and leave your answers in the comment section. If you want us to see all your solutions to, what you can do is you can post it in MerbsConnect YouTube community for us to see if we are getting things right or not. So in this December and next year January, it's all about Advanced Calculus get. So see you soon, and I hope you enjoy it.